Ziggy X. I got one more problem with you, girl.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel and it's me, Nadine Jade. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what's inside my Kikay kit bag. So this is my Kikay kit bag. It's super nice because chill lang nakalagay dito. So yeah, so simulan na natin ang paghalungkat. Okay, so yeah. So random muna itong random itong gagawin natin. So yan, it is City Color Collection Contour Palette. So yan. So galing to sa pinsan ko from, of course, LA. So this L'Oreal Mineral Powder. Medyo tanggal na yung ano. So dalawa siya. And then, of course, my contact lens, my foundation, so yan, in shade of natural beige, so yan siya. Super nice nito guys, as in. And of course, my pang curl, and this Green Cross alcohol, of course my supply, and this aftercare protection cream SPF 30. So yan, galing to sa tita ko from LA. So yan, ito focus ito. So yan, malalamin na rin tayo guys. Okay, so let's continue. And of course, solution for my contact lens. And what else? I have here this MAC Fix Studio in shade of C26, if I'm not mistaken. So yun siya. Ano sardukan. So yan. And then some brushes. From foundation, from basta foundation. What else? This, I have my hindi mawawala ang pangkilay natin guys. This Naked 2, from Naked 2. So maganda siya dahil meron syempre pangkilay and then spoolie. Yan. So pasok ulit natin. Of course, my pangkilay na Nichido powder. So this is matagal sa akin guys, so super worth it talaga niya. So yan, nabasag lang siya yung black, and then ito coffee, ito lagi yung ginagamit ko. So ito nabasag na, so sayang naman. So meron na din siyang brush. So ito yung dati ko pangkilay na super liit na, dyan ko na lang nilagay. So this is Nichido in shade of black and coffee. But that's my pang pony. Hindi ko alam kung bakit meron na dito guys. Meron akong, matanda na ba ako nito? Kating ko, super bango nito guys.
Oh my god. Sayang. Hindi pa ako adik guys. Adik lang po ako sa kating ko.
And of course, save the best for last guys. So ito na rin yung, I have here na maraming choices ng pang lip tint. Shopee ko lang ito nabili guys. Ito Ever Bilena. So ito na rin yung ginagamit ko sa lips. Different colors, different shades. And this is pang, pwede rin siya sa lips. So ang ginagawa ko ay dito na rin siya sa cheeks for blush on. Kasi maganda naman siya sa aking pisngi. Meron pa natirang kating ko. Alok. Ganun. So ito. I love kating ko. So yun guys, wala na siyang laman. So yun yung laman ng makeup kit ko. So there you go guys. So yun lang yung laman ng makeup kit ko. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you on my next video.